Hi everyone, let's start the today's LeetCode challenge, which is to find the winner of an array game. So let's understand the problem statement first. Here in this problem, we are given a list of distinct integer and integer k. So a game is played between the first two elements of the list, and in each round, the larger element will win the game, and the smaller element will be moved to the end of the list. And the game will continues until any one number wins k consecutive times. Okay, so in this problem, this is the array given to us, and we need to find out any number which is the winner for at least k consecutive times. If it is a making a streak of 2, then it is the winner. So let's say the first match will be between 2 and 1. 2 will win the game and 1 will be moved to the end of the array. Okay, this would be our brute force, which is just mentioned in this problem statement. Okay, so winner is 2 and streak is 1. And in the next match, in the next iteration, 2 and 3 will play the game. And now 3 will be the winner and 1 is the streak. In the next match, 3 and 5 will play the game. So now 5 will be the winner and the streak is 1. So in the next match, 5 and 4 will play the game. So now in this case, 5 is the winner again with streak 2. This is the current state of array. So in the problem statement, k was given 2. So 5 would be our answer. We will just return 5 because 5 is the winner for the 2 consecutive times. So let's consider a case where the k value is more than 2. Let's say for the 4 value. So to proceed further, there will be a match between 5, 6 and 7. So in the 5 and 6, 6 is the winner and the streak 1. In the 6 and 7, 7 would be the winner and with the streak 1. Now you can see that 7 is the maximum among this array. So we are given that there is definitely a solution. So we will just get valid input, and 7 is the maximum in this array. So do you think that if 7 is the candidate for any game, anyone will win against 7? No, because 7 is has the maximum maximum value among all of this array. So 7 is definitely the answer. So you can break down the statement to further, if at any instant it is equal to the maximum of the array, so that is going to the answer definitely. Okay, because otherwise we will just keep on moving it ahead, and then just keep on finding for a better fit, but no element can win against 7. Okay, and the second thing that we can assume, we are just doing the pruning in this case, that if we encounter the maximum element, if we just check for the maximum element at any instant, that is going to be our answer. Otherwise we can also check, let's see the constraint of this problem statement. The k value can be 10 to the power 9 and the array length is very large, which is 10 to the power 5. So if we keep on doing the shifting with the actual array, so let's say in the first go, one was the loser, so we had to shift 1 to the end of the list. If we shift any element to the end of the list, then we have to shift other elements to the left by 1. So that is a ON operation. So we don't want our solution to go to the n square form. We don't want a quadratic solution for our problem. Okay, so if we encounter maximum at any instant, so that is definitely is our answer. We can also check whether the value of k is greater than or maybe equal to the array dot length. In this case, we are iterating whole array. So what does it specify? That if we are iterating the whole array, we are definitely going to check for the maximum element at least once. Okay, otherwise just keep on doing whatever mentioned in the problem statement. Just like check for the element, whoever is the winner, just maintain their streak. Okay, so now just let's try to solve this problem by writing the code. Okay guys, let's start writing the code now. So firstly we have to like find the maximum element, because while iterating the array, if at any moment we encounter the maximum element, that is just definitely going to be our answer, and we don't need to proceed further. We'll do pruning there. So int maximum equal to, let's say it is array of 0. Okay, now we have the maximum element. Apart from the maximum element, we also check for the condition when the k is greater than equal to the array of length. So it means we are checking every element at least once. So if we are checking every element at least once, we will definitely be checking the maximum element, so that at that moment it would be our answer. So we can just directly return the maximum element if the value of k is greater than equal to the, let's say, n. Then in that case we'll just have to return the maximum element. Okay, now we can just proceed with our iteration. Also you can think that we don't have to like actually shift the element to the last and keep the current winner at the 0th index. Instead we can just move our I value, which is the iteration variable, to the current winner, because if we have to shift it at the end, we will just definitely be getting the maximum element in between. So if we have to just check until we get the maximum element, so why there is no need to shift it actually. So let's say the current winner is array of 0 and the current streak is 0. So we'll start from 1, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Now here, like, what we can check is we can check our current value with the winner. If it is greater than the winner, so we have a better candidate, or maybe like we just have to drop our current winner. So current winner will be updated to array of I, and also the streak will start from 1, because we have the current winner one number of times at least. As in the else part, it is showing that the winner is the current winner again, so its streak is increasing by 1 times. Okay, and now like what we can check is if streak is equal to k, or our current winner is equal to the maximum element. In that case we can just directly return our winner, and in the last line we can just directly return anything, because we are getting valid input and there is definitely an answer. Okay, let's try running that program. Okay, both the sample test cases are passed. Okay, we found the maximum element. Check for the like k value, because in this case we are checking maximum element at least once. Let's submit the problem. Okay, it is accepted. Okay, thank you guys.